Yeah, it's going well. I mean, it's been a really interesting period. We've been focusing on hiring lots of good new people, help us grow the business, and of course investing in lots of new kit, particularly as we've seen the transition from HD to Ultra HD or 4K. So that's placed a big new demand on us to start migrating that kit, and we're largely through that process now. We'll complete that next year. Most of our customers are using our equipment in a live environment. That might be typically live sports, or it might be a live entertainment show. So it's really important to them that the kit works as soon as it gets out of the box. They're on very tight deadlines, and they can't afford for equipment not to be working. So we have a big team of specialists, of preparation engineers, maintenance engineers, who every time the equipment comes back into the building, check it over, make sure it's absolutely working to the original specification before it goes back on the shelf, ready for that next job. Well, I largely rely on our Chief Technology Officer, Simon Atkinson. He joined us last summer, and so he's now got a year under his belt, and he's really got to grips with understanding what we have in the business, what our customers are demanding of us, and so what we need to be thinking about going forward. So Simon goes and speaks to the manufacturers, understands what products they've got coming up. He also goes out, he's very customer friendly, we put him in front of customers and hear firsthand what they're looking to achieve. And then he comes with recommendations and suggestions to me, and we consider how we meet those needs. Presteigne has a long history of working on major sporting events, and so it has the processes and systems, it has the people that understand what's necessary to make sure a proper project management task is done. And the real essence of our business and being successful in our business is making sure that we've got the right kit available at the right time, and it's always there to ensure the customer's not let down. It can be very tricky because in an ideal world as a rental company, we would love to have 10 customers who each need to use our equipment in 10 different months of the year. And we could spread it out, and we could make very simple decisions about the level of equipment we need to hold. But actually, in fact, what tends to happen, and this summer is a classic example, everything comes together. So all of the events overlap each other. And that means to say that often we will have to flex up the amount of equipment we have, and then once that busy high demand period passes us, then we sell out of that surplus equipment to get down to more usual long-term levels to match that demand again.